Teachers' instructions. Dear teachers, do the exercises in the workbook pages on pages 45 to 48. Now, let's discuss these activities. Students are little explorers. Bring a picture of jungle and talk about animals that live there. So, jungle is a vocabulary word for J, and students are going to talk about all the animals that live in jungle. Then, they are little innovators. Show a short video of jet flying in the sky. What is a jet? An aeroplane. Then they are little builders, building letters with popsicle sticks. Ask the student to paste sticks on printed letter J. Now they are going to paste the sticks and make the letter J. And they are little designers as well. Encourage and guide the learners to color the sketch of the jug and the letter J on the top of this page over here. And they are little thinkers. Ask the learners to jump the number of times shown on a card with the letter J. For example, jump 3 times, jump 5 times, etc.